I feel like Megan Thee Stallion is...
Oh! That was too good. Ain't no man made me feel this way before. Oh! I feel like I went to a different dimension just now.
Hey guys, I'm in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm going to be adjusting this beautiful professional photographer. Have you been adjusted before?
Never. Literally never.
Oh man.
Me up, daddy. Ooh.
It's okay, we'll beat that one out. Is there anything going on? You have low back pain, neck pain, anything that I should know about?
I'm in pain all the time, like from shoulder down to my butt, like all the time.
So you're in pain right now?
Every day of my life.
Okay. So you've never been adjusted? Have you ever had a massage?
No, I get massages like every 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
But it's not the same. I don't know. It just doesn't do much for me. Like I feel good for a few days and then it's gone.
Okay. How long has that been going on? For a long time?
Oh yeah. I fell off a swing like 10 years ago and I never looked back.
So you've been in pain for 10 years?
Yeah, but it's not like, oh my God, I can't fucking walk. It's like those tingling sensations here and there, and I'm like, whatever, I can deal with it.
Oh, I'm excited to adjust you.
Me
It's gonna change your life. So this is not like massage, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. It's a little bit more intense. So when I press here, does that?
Yeah, it's a little painful.
It's a little bit painful. Okay. Is it worse on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you know?
Because I can feel it. So usually what happens is when your joints aren't moving properly, it will be painful around that joint. So that's not moving too well.
Oh.
Compared to this side. So that's how I know.
Wow.
All right. Oh. Ooh. So you spend a lot of time at your computer?
Yeah, and when I shoot, I'm always like going up and down in weird like pretzel forms.
Okay.
So that's why.
Did you shoot today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you relaxed? There you go. Okay,
I don't even know what it means to be relaxed.
We're gonna help you to relax a little bit. Let's go in here. Okay. All right. Does it feel all right?
Oh, it feels too good.
Good.
I'm recording for making weird noises.
Go for it.
No.
I've heard it all. You have no idea.
You're making us make more noises.
Yeah, that's I'm a professional at it. I'm really good at making people make noises.
Oh.
I think that making noises in a way is healing on its own. You're like letting out all of the tightness and the pain. Just let it go.
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
There we go. Alright. Ooh, up in here.
Oh, shit. Shit. I said shit.
It's okay, we got lots of beeps. It's Alright, let's. Okay. So, alright, the table right under you is gonna go up a little bit. You might feel it like that, okay?
So.
And I'm gonna press down here. And the table is gonna drop, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
We're good.
Oh!
How you doing?
Oh my God, that's great. I don't know.
We're doing it again. We're doing it one more time.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Alright. How does it feel right here now? Is it as painful?
No, it's not. It's scary. I don't know what you did. Oh, man.
Got the joint moving a little bit better.
Oh, that's like the untouched territory.
Okay. I need you to relax as much as you can. There you go. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Good.
Oh!
Okay. Do that one more time. Breathe in all the way, and then breathe out. Good. Stay totally relaxed here. Yeah. Girl, this area on you.
I already know. I can feel it.
Like, I cannot believe
No,
what's happening.
The way you're touching it, it hurts. It's crazy.
It is not moving at all.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh.
Take a deep breath in again. And breathe out.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
You cracked some because I feel wet out there.
This whole area. Is this what happens when you're a photographer? Is this?
And a streamer because I have to keep my face in one angle.
Gotcha.
My neck be fucking hurting so hard. I'm sorry, this whole video gonna be deep.
It's okay.
But yeah, my neck. I have a potty mouth. Sorry, mommy. Oh. Oh, Jesus. It already feels so much better though.
Oh, we haven't even started.
I know.
Yet.
You're gonna have fun with me and
I'm just trying to get these muscles to relax before we adjust you. Okay. I got a special adjustment for this area for you specifically.
Go ahead.
Okay. Keep your head totally relaxed. I'm gonna bend your head over to one side, okay? But you don't help me. You stay totally relaxed, okay? Are you relaxed?
Do it.
There you go.
Oh! Holy shit! Oh my God, mama!
Let me see your face. You're alive. All right.
That was too good. Ain't no man made me feel this way before. My lashes are fucked up. My makeup's fucked up. You know.
No, you look good. You look good. I got one more side, and then we can fix your lashes. How you doing? How you doing?
Crap. Thank you.
All right. All right. So stay relaxed again. All right. There you go.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Okay. All right. I know it's hard to move right now, but when you're ready, go ahead and turn over and lay face up for me.
Oh, goodness.
So how's your posture when you're sitting at your computer over there?
I probably have the world's worst posture because everybody, even strangers, will come up to me and be like, hey, yo, like, you good? Like, fix
People who
yourself.
have no idea about posture.
Yeah,
try to
they're
fix your
like,
posture.
yo, like, you look a little uncomfortable. Yeah, I don't have good posture, unfortunately. And even when I'm, like, trying to be aware of it, I just forget. And then I'm back to square one. What the fuck? I feel like you're draining me of something
It's
right
so
now.
tight in here.
Oh, that's what you said.
Yep. All right. So we're gonna strap you up with this and get things moving a little bit more. So I'm gonna have you move down the table toward your feet. Make the table longer a little bit. Lift your legs just a bit. All right. And scoot down more. Keep going.
Oh, keep going.
Toward your feet. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Good. I'm excited for you right now. I'm just letting you know. Okay. So I'm gonna pull back this way. Try to keep everything as relaxed as you can, okay? You can, if you wanna put your hands kind of like across your stomach and kind of like, yeah, just like that. Perfect. All right. So take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Good. Breathe in again. Breathe all the way out. Good.
Oh shit! What the fuck? I feel like I went to a different dimension just now.
You went to a different dimension?
What the hell? Jesus Christos, a szakban switch this up.
Do I have to beep that out? I can't.
No. I said I've never felt like this before. Holy shit. Wow.
Feel good?
Oh.
Yeah?
Oh.
Can I have your feet while you're laying there?
Oh my God, yes. You can
It's an intense one. Your first adjustment was probably the most intense it possibly could be, right?
I love it.
Good. All right. Let's do here. How you doing?
Amazing. Too good. I'm about to like fix you up a room and you can live with me.
Oh yeah, you're gonna move me. You're gonna move me in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
Just adjust me once a week.
You're gonna keep your chiropractor like in the closet in the back.
No,
you let.
You're too good for a closet.
You let me out of my room once in a while and trust you.
Okay, you can come out now. Ooh, that felt good. I felt that in my back. That was
Good.
Ooh. This is the most action I've had in a minute.
Well, I'm glad I got to be a part of it.
Me too.
Okay,
Definitely was disappointed.
this like relaxed too?
Ooh.
Alright, scoot back up there for me. This side too.
Woo!
Wow.
Yes.
Alright. Scoot back up there. Keep pulling you all the way down the table. Alright. How do you feel right now?
Too good.
Too good?
Feel like I'm high and I'm
That's
sober.
good. That's that chiropractic high. It's all the endorphins.
It's amazing.
I think your posture has improved. I like
I
this.
definitely feel like my posture improved. I never sat this straight in my life.
Wow. Yeah, this feels looser in here too. This was serious. Like,
I know.
I mean,
it is an emergency.
yeah, this is an emergency chiropractic adjustment. All right, you feel good right now?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna check your arms too. We're gonna adjust your arms. Let me see. Put this in here. Come on there. All right, let's see here. Let's see, it's moving already.
I know, right? This shit's crazy. My work about to get better. Like, Isabel, why do you move so swiftly? Well, you know.
I can't wait to see your face when your elbow gets adjusted though. It's like, let's see, lean back just a little bit.
Woo! Damn.
Ooh.
Oh, that's too good. I don't know what I'm feeling right now, but I want to feel it
It's
all the
called,
time.
it's called amazing. I feel amazing. Keep this relaxed too. Your arm totally relaxed.
I think so. Wow.
Did you crack your knuckles?
I try to. I be forgetting sometimes, but.
Well, if you do, pulling is better than bending them over and like.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's better than doing that. Like if you can
Pull it?
pull, yeah.
Okay, the more you know.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna have you stand up,
Okay.
and you said you move around and you're in some weird positions when you're doing your
pictures.
So can you get into that position, do what you're doing, and tell me how you feel?
I already feel just amazing standing up, but the most famous one is I'll do this, and then I'm like this. And this
Okay,
is,
how does it feel right now?
it's amazing. It usually hurts to even get into that position,
Okay.
and it doesn't hurt anymore. Ooh.
Everything's
Wow, I feel like Megan Thee Stallion in this.
So you feel good? Do you feel pain anywhere right now?
No.
No?
No, it was mostly up here, and you cracked my shit up. Yeah.
I mean, you really needed that.
Yeah,
to
I
be
think
honest
so
with
too.
you.
It sounded like I needed that.
Yes. Thank you for letting me
Thank you
adjust you
so
for your
much.
first time ever. If
Honored.
anybody wants to connect with you, find you online, how can they find
It's
you?
at Sexy Psychopath on Instagram.
You guys got that? I will put it in the description too. But yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Chiropractic. You're very welcome. Hey guys, I am here with
Isabel, Psycho, your girl, your loud girl is back and better.
And if you guys haven't seen the video that we did together, I think it was back in December, you should definitely go check it out. I will link it in the description of this video, but honestly, it was one of my favorite videos ever because you are absolutely hilarious, and
thank you.
It was fun for me. I know it was fun.
It was fun for me to read the comments. Y'all get real mad, and I'm gonna keep getting you mad. The ones who like me, thank you.
So we'll give them something to comment about this video.
For sure.
For sure. But tell me how you feel since I adjusted you. It's been months.
Yeah,
so.
it's been months. I think I'm ready for a second one, but I still feel much better than I did before.
Yeah.
So, I'm still better with my posture, but I do think I need a good little crack.
Okay. Yeah, because you've been running around
everywhere,
filming video or doing
Videos,
photography, all of that stuff. So, and I know you were saying like when you get down in some like weird positions and everything, it hurts, but it's been okay.
Yeah, I think
Wow.
I just have some like neck shit going on, but that's because I use the wrong pillows and sleep wrong.
Okay. How's the rest of you feel?
Pretty good, honestly. Still pretty good, but a little touch up ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Okay. No. We're gonna check you out and do all that. Stay right there for a second. Let's see. Let's see here. Have you gotten massages or done anything since?
I don't got time to itch my ass, so
okay.
no massages for your girl.
So this is one adjustment and nothing since then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's do this. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna start with your neck. How's that sound?
Sounds
Yeah.
lovely.
I'm actually gonna have you lay face up on here first. And let me put this here. Yeah! She's excited.
So.
Okay. So, can I move your hair back? Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. All right. Relax your head. Your makeup is perfect, by the way.
Thank you.
Absolutely perfect. So try to stay as relaxed as you can here. I'm just gonna feel around here and see what's going on. Is this you relaxed?
I think. I don't even know anymore.
Oh man. Let's see. So what's the most fun shoot that you've done recently? Can I ask you that, or is it like
Yeah, you can.
top secret information?
No, honestly, the most fun thing I've done has been me being a model for the first time.
Really?
I was in a Drake music video as a bride.
What?
And it was so much fun.
You were in the music video?
Yeah, I was one of his brides. He had 24.
Girl, you're famous.
You know. No, I'm
okay.
kidding, but it was fun, and I gained experience
Wow.
because now I know what my models go through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it
It's
nerve-wracking?
like a perspective thing. No, it was so much fun. It was just like really long hours, but
Yeah. How are you doing right now? Is this okay?
it feels fucking amazing.
Good.
Oh.
Trying to get this relaxed.
Oh.
You still good?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh baby.
My favorite thing you said in the last video was, Mama!
Mama.
Yep. Okay. Stay relaxed.
Oh my goodness. I felt that one.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I felt the other one too.
So, remember when we did the Y strap adjustment?
That was beautiful, yeah.
We're definitely doing that again for all in here.
Forever.
Yes. But scoot down the table just a bit so
Sure.
I'll make this longer for you here. Okay. Okay. So I know you remember this, so I don't have to explain it again unless you want me to.
No, I
God,
got it.
you remember it. Let me just make sure. I can't mess your lashes up. Okay. So, is that hurting your ears? Because I know you have earrings in right there.
No.
It's okay. So, there's gonna be a strap that goes around your chin here,
Okay.
so that this doesn't slip. And I'm so excited to do this with you right now because it's been so long. Does that all feel okay?
Amazing.
All right, good. So you're gonna take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way.
Ooh. Oh baby. That's just why does it feel so good?
It's amazing, isn't it? Did you feel it in your mid back at all?
I felt it right
Like
here.
in your
That's
neck?
where I needed it.
Yeah, that is where you needed it.
Like,
That is
yeah.
where you needed it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna. I don't want to mess your makeup up,
No,
but
it's
I need you to turn over and lay face down for me. You can actually, you can put your face on here and you can put your hands on.
That's going to catch my face right now. My face going to be on this
It's
shit.
one of the problems with having a white chiropractic table is
No, I got
everyone's
it.
makeup ends up on it. I'm gonna just move you here. Okay. So scoot to your right just a little bit. Okay. Let me see. Alright.
Yeah,
I'm not as nice as the
yeah, not nice, but
Massage
it's
gun.
very much needed. Oh boy.
No.
Oh, Jesus Christos. Oh. Oh Lord. I'm like a fucking bubble wrap.
Yep.
Oh.
Alright, take a deep breath in. Oh, look straight down first for me. Good. And then breathe out. Breathe in again. And then breathe out. Good. Stay totally relaxed here.
Oh.
Good. How you doing?
Oh, that felt good.
I'm gonna do that one more time. It's gonna be a little bit more intense. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm
All
okay
right.
with it. I'm ready.
I'm gonna just turn in this little knob right here. So the table's gonna go up under you, and then when I press down here, this table's gonna go down a little bit. Let me just adjust it here. It absorbs some of the shock, so your chest doesn't get squished into the table. But take a deep breath in, and then breathe out. Good.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Okay, can we do that one more time?
oh yeah, you
Yeah.
can, please.
All right. Breathe in again, and then breathe out. Good. Good. All right. Now your low back feels better than your mid back and your neck,
Oh,
which is good.
yeah, I feel lighter too. So
Good. All right, we're gonna do the same thing down here. Okay, are you ready?
yeah.
It's relaxed here.
Oh.
Ooh, okay. Did you feel that? Yes. We'll do that one more time.
Oh.
All right.
Oh yeah, that. Oh.
There. Okay.
Lovely.
All right, I'm gonna have you turn over and lay face up.
Smile.
Let me check. Let me see.
Is my face
It's
intact?
absolutely perfect. Yes. It's great. It's great.
I'm sweating. Yes.
I know.
Yeah, nice.
Well, this is also like the Dr. Shelly greenhouse right here.
Yes,
You
I
know?
love it here.
All right. Let's see. Straighten your legs here. Let's see. Okay. So keep your leg relaxed here.
Ooh.
Your feet don't move.
Nothing moved.
Yeah, this is.
I'm a stiff ass bitch.
I don't know if I've ever had a patient say that they were a stiff ass bitch before. That's. Let's see. Ooh, okay, it moved though. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
When I'm rich and famous, y'all,
Huh?
she's gonna live with me.
I was just about to say you promised me a room
Yes.
so that like when you need to be adjusted, you like summon your
I just walk
personal
next-
chiropractor.
Ooh.
I mean, surely one of 24 wives that Drake has needs a chiropractor, right?
Yeah. For sure. Gonna be a lovely family with a chiropractor. Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely need to see you more than once every 6 months.
Once a week is barely going.
That might be a better idea for you. Keep this relaxed here. Okay, that's not bad. Your knee is good on that side.
That's
This side, yeah. Yeah, that's fine there too. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you sit up for me, and Stacey, just face that away. Let's see. How you feel right now?
Amazing. My neck.
Feels
My
good
back.
to you, sir. Can I move your
Yeah,
hair? for a second?
go ahead.
Here. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit more work in here.
Okay.
But I'm actually gonna have you. Can you hold your hair right there?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put my hands on the back of your neck right here.
Okay.
Scoot back on here just a little bit. Right there. All right, so look down. And then put my hands here, and then I need you to put your hands on top of my hands. Just on the back of your neck. Perfect. Yep. All right. So I'm gonna stretch you out this way. So take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Stay totally relaxed. Look up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That just sent nerves up. That
What
felt
did you
too
just?
good.
I have to. What did you just do? Wait, hold on. You're like.
That was so good. I don't even know what the fuck just went down.
It's,
'Cause I felt the sensation down my thing.
Yep.
Wow. I felt like
Let me see your money makers and
Yes.
work on these here. Yeah, really like your neck and all up in the upper part of your back there are just.
so I
It needs a lot more work than seeing me twice a year. So sit up really straight, just okay.
Ooh. She's strong. She looks tiny, but she's mighty.
She's very strong.
Okay. So whose view do you think was better? The last
I think your view is the
this
best.
one?
Oh yeah, this is some
Yeah.
luxurious shit.
Yeah. The view when we shot the first video when I first adjusted you was I wasn't mad about that.
Yeah,
at
I
all.
loved it. I was laughing at the comments. They're like, she's a sellout now, doing it in luxury condiments. Like, what?
It was your home.
I was like, first of all,
It was your home. Stand up and face me this way here. And you're gonna go like this. Okay. Hold on here real tight. I'm gonna check your shoulders. Well, it could have been a compliment. I mean, like they're saying your home is a luxury
Yeah,
home.
I was
you know?
like, she's not a sellout, she's amazing.
Thank you. All right, so on the count of 3, you're gonna go like that.
Like this.
But hold on here. Yep, you're gonna do that against my hand, like you're knocking someone out behind you.
Okay, cool.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oop,
Oh,
gotta
sorry.
keep your hand there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. That shoulder's okay. And we're gonna do the same thing here. On the count of 3. Oop.
Wow, I got excited.
I know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Ooh, I like that.
There.
I don't even know there was something in there to be
that was
cracked.
your shoulder in there. Okay. Did we miss anything? I think we got everything.
Yeah, that was nice and quick.
I think we got everything. You want to move around? Tell me if anything feels restricted at all. I like that.
Everything feels great.
Oh my god! I wish like every single person that I adjust when I tell them to like walk a little bit, they just strut.
Oh my god, every time I do that, I think of a meme. I wish I could show y'all the meme in my brain, but you can't see it. But it's like a little baby dancing. It's like a cartoon, by the way. This is not sexual, but it's like a little baby going like around the pole to 50 Cent. Yeah. Don't ask.
Okay. Maybe we'll find one like that.
Yeah,
I'll
for sure.
I'll put it here so people can see what's in your brain. But you feel good right now?
Yeah, I feel
Yeah?
amazing. Thank you so much.
So every movement feels really good. Nothing feels
Yeah, I
restricted?
feel so much lighter. My neck was like just not in a good place.
Yeah, it was.
Now
was
it's in a
pretty
much
tight.
better place.
That's good. I'm so glad. I'm so
Yes,
glad I got to adjust
yes.
it. We really need to do this more often.
I'm
Don't
gonna
do what
see
she
more.
does and only get adjusted twice a year. It's
Do it more.
Yeah.